Welcome to Worth Every Dollar channel. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bells for our channel.
The design of the Puj Tub came from a personal need. I am a mother and bathing my baby was difficult, and I felt like this should be a bonding experience for us. It's such a simple bathtub and it makes bath time easy for me, and my child feels safe and secure and they're happy. The Puj Tub is warm to the touch. It's non-slip. It hangs in stores flat. It doesn't even absorb water. It folds easily. It fits into your bathroom sink. It's comforting to my baby. They feel safe and secure. So now, when I give my baby a bath in the Puj Tub, it's a bonding experience for us, and there's no distractions, and it's just so simple and intuitive that I don't have to think about it, and I can just enjoy that time with my baby.
Most diaper pails are made of plastic. Plastic is porous and allows the smell to escape through its pores and emanates throughout the nursery. The Ubbi diaper pail is made of powder-coated steel and rubber seals to keep odors locked in. Its innovative sliding lid minimizes air disruption for optimal air control. Better yet, it doesn't require special bags, which saves both time and money. To load, lift the cover and insert the bag. Tuck the edges of the bag around the bag holder and close the cover by pushing down until it snaps into place. To use, slightly push down on the handle to slide the door open, drop the diaper into the opening and slide the door closed. To lock, use child-proof button on top of the lid. When the bag is full, lift both the top cover and bag holder. Tie the bag and lift out slowly. Ubbi is practically maintenance-free. Do not use water or detergent to clean the Ubbi diaper pail. All you need to do is wipe it clean with a dry cloth. Ubbi's smooth oval shape allows it to fit into tight spaces and was made the perfect size to contain just the right amount of dirty diapers, which is up to 50 newborn-sized diapers. The Ubbi diaper pail is an award-winning design and a worldwide recognized brand. It is available in an array of colors to complement any decor. Keep your nursery attractive and odor-free with the Ubbi diaper pail.
Cozy covers were designed for moms on the go who want their babies protected, warm, and secure without the hassle of bulky baby clothes or thick onesies. On frozen winter mornings or chilly summer evenings, the Cozy cover keeps your baby protected from the elements in ultra-soft comfort. Cozy covers are universally engineered with a shower cap design to fit all standard baby carriers. Each Cozy cover also features dual zippers for easy access and seals your baby into durable, weather-proof protection. Cozy covers do not interfere with any of the child's safety straps and keep your baby snuggled in warmth on cold winter mornings while your car is still in that deep freeze. You might need that jacket, but your baby doesn't. Just zip up your baby's Cozy cover and off you go. With lots of color options available, you can keep your baby carrier looking fashionable all the time. The Cozy cover, making your baby's carrier his or her favorite place to be while you're on the go.
Child staring at the sky. Heaven only knows what you're dreaming of tonight. And the skyline is a fading light. But it seems like the stars ain't never shine so bright. it seems like the stars ain't never shine so bright.
I'm Samir.
I'm Caitlin, and this is Taria. She's 2 months old.
My name is Yvette, and I'm a first-time mom.
The Kind Cozy is the safe, fast, and beautifully simple way to warm breast milk, formula, or food in any container. Cozy has an integrated water reservoir.
The integrated reservoir in the Cozy helps eliminate those late-night trips to the sink.
With the Cozy, the process is simple.
Reach into the fridge, grab a bottle, and stick it in the Cozy, and set the time.
When the timer is set, the water in the reservoir is warmed and pumped into the chamber, circulating around the container and flowing back into the reservoir through the overflow drain.
With the Cozy, I have the confidence that all the nutrients in my breast milk are going to be protected.
When the timer runs out, Cozy shuts off and water is drained from the chamber, eliminating any risk of overheating.
The water in the Cozy is the same temperature as warm tap water, so it eliminates the risk of hot spots.
Safe Heat, the Cozy method of breast milk warming, uses a swirling low-temperature water bath to safely but quickly warm your baby's meal. The flowing water in the chamber promotes heat transfer, resulting in very fast warming times at safe warming temperatures. Cozy is designed to specifically follow CDC guidelines to safely thaw and warm breast milk using warm flowing water. Using the warmer is safe and convenient for any type of bottle or breast milk storage bag.
We like the Cozy because it makes life easier for our little one and for us.